Oh. What is that?
It's a freaking truck, you idiot. Is my light even on? Oh, there it is.
It's on.
Ah.
It's hard to see.
It's convenient how we have lights.
Who doesn't have light at this nighttime?
Yeah, I wouldn't carry it without. Do you know this truck?
No.
No.
Nobody inside.
This is sketchy, dude.
It's a tad.
This is sketchy.
You should salvage the tires.
No, dude. It's more fun if we just slash them.
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh!
It's a body. Somebody call for help.
Is it alive?
I don't know, poke it.
Look how stretchy the skin is.
Body.
Must mean it's dead.
Because that's a sign of a dead body, stretching skin. Well,
Dude, it's
not breathing, so we should probably go report this.
to what? The Asians?
The Asians. Wah. No, to the FBI. Or like criminal minds or something.
Get your freaking phone out, call 911, because I have no idea what the freak this thing is here. Well, I mean, it's a body, it's a dead body. It is a body. It's a, yeah, okay, anyways, call 911.
Found a dead body.
If you laugh like that, they're gonna know that you're joking,
Okay, here,
but
you
you're
call
not
them.
joking.
You call them.
Yeah.
You talk. I'll take the camera.
You stupid idiot. Oh, that's not a stupid iPhone.
Why?
It's just...
Really trippy.
Hello? Yeah, we're at almost at the Plantation Road. We found an abandoned truck and there is a dead body inside. Surprisingly, I'm not completely torn over it, but it is still a dead body, and I think we should have a cop out here.
This is creepy.
And we don't know how... Like, we don't understand how there's a... I mean, obviously he was killed, but... Yeah, okay, anyways, yeah, you're going to be coming here. You know where it is, Plantation Road? There's that little road off just before the geothermal place.
He's dead.
Alright. Okay. Thanks. Yeah, Alec... Yeah, okay. Yeah, you know me. Alright. Yeah.
What did they say?
They're on their way, I think.
You hope.
Did you hear that?
No.
You didn't hear that?
No. This is weird.
Dude, did you hear that, though?
No.
There's
Well,
something,
yeah.
there's something over there.
Whoa.
There's a thing over there.
I don't see it.
Can you see that? I saw something there. There's still this thing walking right there. Is that a guy? Hey, you! I can't.
Oh, here's the... Listen.
I can hear it. It's too dark. I can't see.
Hey, let's go back.
Hey, buddy! Yeah, never mind. I don't like this guy.
What about this dead body? This is really messed up.
Yeah. Okay, we're getting the frig out of here. So Brett, do you think... What? Oh my gosh. Oh, hey, Jesse.
Hey!
How's it going?
Oh, you know, pretty good.
That's cool.